Purrfection. I feel like I know that dude. That's a Bastet dude.
Ew. He's a
That's
furry.
a Bastet name. Of course he's a furry. Look at him.
Danny doesn't like the one skin. That's amazing.
I hate the plushie. Can I overrule Danny's judgment?
I know the plushie's trash, but
dude, I
like
will slap us in jungle practice, and I will show you exactly what I'm bitching about.
That he like has physical impairment from the one skin. So,
I will.
I mean,
you put us in jungle practice, and I will literally show you why that skin sucks.
I'm not gonna start Thebes. I'm gonna start Stonagaya.
I know what you're talking about. Behind her, it like lights up big that she's like charging up.
Yeah, that big black hole just covers the whole thing. Like you can't do anything about that.
There's no way, dude. Like he's Kumba. He's huge, and like he doesn't have anything that does that. Oh my god, shoved in your pooper. Oh, alright. Fuck being in the down.
Okay. I thought his pluck was down.
Oh.
I heard his pluck. What?
Not a second time. Shit was back up.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna send you a snap later. Try to dip. I'm gonna have to back.
This is ass. This is ass. This is ass. Get to this corner.
Oh no, I'll send you that clip later. I swear to God, I thought they plucked someone.
Go purple. Go purple. Go purple. Go purple. I'm clearing wave. Go purple. Go purple.
I'm gonna lose all my gold.
He impaled me out of my sleepy thing. They're shoving lane. Honor's coming over. Honor's coming over.
Give me fucking purple. God, I hate myself.
I'd like blue.
What?
Eat it.
You gotta eat purple.
I ate purple.
Motherfucker.
You can't blame him though. He had to do it for the quick.
And yeah, on her was. You said on her was there.
Yeah, Honor was gonna impel that shit. God, I feel so weak in the beginning of this game.
I know.
Because you are.
Kumba top Daniel. Oh, we didn't. I guess we didn't really do anything. Oh, Danny's at 3. Fuck. That's what's trash about the early. Blocked my whole one.
You're not built like that yet, Danny boy.
No, it's
close, but not yet.
I might get plucked.
He's gonna pluck you. You just hear I'll root him.
You gotta pluck the fucking shit out of me.
We need to back off here. This Sobek's very obvious on what he's trying to do. He like stares at you like, I'll be right
He's got
back.
that. He's got that missile vision, dude.
Tunnel vision, like, dude, you want to play Sobek? Stare at the fucking wall. Like, look at something else. Oh, he's a fucking idiot. Kill him for that.
Kill him. He dies.
Fucking bot mentality. What the fuck are you doing?
I pretended to back, and then even if I did outplay him, in which he missed by the way, like barely.
Oh,
even if I did, my cat would have hit him.
Trying to force the beads there, but you don't have jump anymore, and your impale's down.
Coming.
Literally nothing.
No, you're kind of far.
I don't get the XP.
Ready to back.
That's all I ever wanted. Back up from what, dude? Did I have Link? No, you don't.
There's no reason to be up that far. Alright. I'll protect you. I got hers on the blue.
I'm not even halfway through the map.
I know. You're passing the sign.
Not even at the sign. Look at this. I'm
no,
right
see,
here.
right there it is. Yeah, but you're right here.
On the side? Not the side. On the side? Not the side.
Sorry for the delay.
Oh shit, okay.
Changa ult. Changa ult, sorry, I should say. I'm out of mana.
Really?
No. I hit her with whale.
Oh.
That's just what I gotta clarify.
I almost died right there, I'm not gonna lie.
Get out of there.
Oh, come on.
Oh,
that's
no.
so cap, bro.
Okay, I'm out.
Retreat.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. I'm fucking dead.
No, they good.
Keep it on block.
He's trolling me so hard.
Man's beadsing while he's in the air. The lunatic.
Dude, that shit went off on the ground on my screen. If I'm lagging, I don't know.
Fucking cat. Okay, kill those demands not gonna come. They get damage. We're gonna go for purple. You can eat it.
Yep.
Big one, Purrfect.
I have to get this again, huh? I hate my life.
I'm bringing chesting.
What do you want, right here?
Yeah, it's fine. Somewhere on this corner.
Go to sleep.
She got Chronos.
Oh, really? I was okay. That's not bad though. Yeah,
I mean,
back.
like, what do y'all do off of that, though?
Did you just get fire
He's
giant?
half.
I can blink ult this guy.
You wanna do it?
Oh.
I need him to jump, honestly.
Reflector. Even if we stall for a little bit, it can't necessarily do
I can
much.
jump into him. Is this jump down?
Definitely jump, dude.
Oh god, he's healing.
I
He's
really
on
don't,
me.
but he's gonna do it.
He's on me.
Okay,
I'm like, on the ground.
I'm out.
Alright.
Oh, that got me. It's okay, I'm gonna get defense next.
Let him have it.
They can't kill it.
Oh, they're gonna kill Tia here.
Yeah, Muffin's trying to fight it. Muffin,
I'm
just
trying
jump.
to fight, dude.
Do you have no jump?
Jesus Christ, bro.
Absolutely no. Honestly, I don't think they can
literally
kill it.
The whole way. We got destroyed in that fight, yo.
Yeah, Honor has natural pen. I'm good, I'm good.
I'm trying to keep this tower alive, man. There's 2 waves of minions in
I'm
here.
here, Danny.
His jump down.
Kill him.
Go to sleep.
We get this, yep. I'm here.
Some fighting.
They overstats too. Oh, he's lagging! Oh, he's lagging! No,
Of
bro!
course he is.
Oh my
Every
god!
fucking time we're in a game where it matters.
I actually don't like that.
Like, I'm so tired of that fucking bullshit, bro. Playing with people that are from the fucking country, and lag works for them. Like,
No.
fuck off, you cheating motherfucker.
That shit's some cheating. Oh, Honor's here, Honor's here, Honor's here. Okay, I lied, he sucks. No, just walk away. He massively fucked that up. That literally could have been
Cheating
killed.
motherfucker. Bro, don't die here, so back. Hold on, let me just flick my switch 64 times.
Let me flip the hacksaw.
That was crazy.
Dude,
Fucking
it's like, it's only when
bullshit.
we're under pressure, bro. It's like, oh, these guys are actually gaming cool. And it's like, actually, it's time for me to start cheating. It's like,
No, that was actually lag switching, dude. I would go as far as to say it. He literally had to take the time to flip that shit and just go in a straight line. Cause I had my ult ready to hit him and I was gonna do it, and then he just walked out of it.
Dude, look at him.
He's lagging.
yeah, but it's
No.
only convenient for him, you know what I mean? Like,
Careful, I'm totally out of this fight. I have nothing. Offer. I'm in.
I don't know if I want to fight this.
Shake it too. I'm here. Hey, on him.
Keep going, keep going. I'm on the side. I'm coming up.
That's her shit. Oh, she's so fast.
Keep going, keep going.
I won't hold back. No need to be afraid.
Damn.
we don't win this this anymore. Just leave. We're not taking minions into consideration as much as we should be. Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, no, it's
my
good.
God.
Muffin's just... He's literally out of range. Don't... Yeah, you're good. They're both there.
Fuck was that, dude?
Go
Put him to bed.
sleep.
Oh, no.
You gotta
okay.
wait
So
for
big
the
C.
2!
Oh, yeah.
That's good, it's good.
He woke him up and then he got the jump out for free.
Danny, go rape him.
Be careful.
Maybe. Maybe. There's no
I
way.
don't care that we're trading, but I don't like that Andre's getting the kills.
He's dead. I've traded my
Got
beast
you
for it, though.
now. There he is.
Honestly, you can't kill me. I'm just looking to get a...
Focus
Let's just
the lane.
farm, dude. Yeah.
That's what
I have spear robe.
Ask me
Changa...
about my
Changa doesn't have...
winner.
No, wait. Beat him up! Beat him up! Don't you lack switch now, boy. There ain't no saving you.
She came up.
2 seconds, 2
Oh,
seconds.
wait. I'm coming.
Wait.
Anha's gonna jump through the wall and ult. Okay, I just took all my shit. I'm out. We need a dip.
Yep.
I'm one shot. And they don't have
She has
blink.
beat blink.
No one have
No.
blink. I got anti going next.
I think on her went straight to the thing.
Yeah, I heard him jump. Oh.
Should I check for it?
I would. If you don't want to lose
this.
it.
On my way.
Oh, they went purple.
I'll ward it. Changa's at 40%
They're
and
gone.
movement speed. And prots.
That's cool.
Kill that. Get out there.
Oh, okay.
Or up,
Yeah.
I'm here.
Yeah, they're not fighting. They got it back.
I ate blue for you.
I see. Thank you.
I can get mad.
Blink.
He's lagging.
So back is lagging every.
If we can clear this.
They're going the guy.
I really want to back and get mad. I don't think we have a
Make it
choice.
quick then.
No, we have to do this now.
I'm just gonna walk over there.
Killing her.
I'm gonna bother him.
It's the shit. I'm coming.
His jumps down.
Coming.
No need to be
You guys have that?
Yes, but I might die.
Come on, Chong.
Changa all down.
All over.
down.
Oh my god.
No, it's not. It's literally ult. Kumba ult. That's a root.
Go
We don't have anti-heal yet. I'm so close to it.
no need to be afraid.
Just do it. You can kill her without him.
There's no fucking way this is real. I
No, it's good.
slow her? No, it's not good, because Sobek gets another fucking kill and she lives.
No, I literally have anti-heal and one item. Like 600 more gold. And now I have med, so we can
I
actually
just got
chase
it.
more.
That was my issue. She would have died if we'd had anti-heal. I know I'm a little behind, but
No, that's good. I should have gone for it. I
Connor's
just...
eating the thing. He's fucking it up right now.
I don't want to go in and die.
You gotta do something, at least put pressure on it. Nice, I'm here. I'm here.
I'm heading. That's good.
she's fucked.
It's all you.
Waiting for the knockup. That didn't hit her?
I'm pushing minions.
Whatever she's got going on, it's nuts.
Prots and
Oh my
fucking
God.
healing. She has prots and healings. Dude, oh my
Oh
god!
my god.
So what's going on?
That man fucking Michael Jackson busted it down sexual style on me so hard right there, it's not even funny.
Does anyone have blink? Anna has blink now.
Love that.
I have anti-heal. I just
We
need
get
that.
this and we back up. Back it up.
Damage is here.
You're
is
playing
fast.
a dangerous game.
No, we're good.
They're coming.
Run. On has blink, he will slow us.
Danny, you're huge, by the way.
I'm 15, I guess.
They're 13s.
Okay. I'm trusting to walk away. You guys are lazy backing. Anti-heal. I'm gonna Heart Seeker. Honor is not a problem. I think this Chonga's fucking us up. Honor has fucking shield up. Chonga's fucking me up. So we can literally work on that.
So I'll put my body in front of Honor.
On her I can outplay, but Chonga I simply can't.
40% cooldown Changa with prots is rough too.
I'm maxed, but my shit's like 4-second cooldowns.
Are they just sitting in their fucking Phoenix right now? We're freezing the lane.
Oh,
Freeze.
I don't have the big boy damage online just yet.
Okay, they're
We
in
need
lane.
to just keep them off of it. Fine, just freeze lane.
This is toxic.
That,
We
if you wanna
just
play
leveled
back and
up!
play-
Does he have Wing Blade? We at least hit that.
Dreams.
Nice. You gonna try to plug? I just hugged the wall. Unfortunately, the minions
I'm gonna
didn't
blink
really
ult this
die.
on her.
Okay, I'm walking around the wall.
Hold on, I need to. That's the M&K bullshit lag that I'm dealing with right now makes me want to hurt people.
That's good. Run past, Bull Demon's back soon. Oh, she's kind of fighting this.
We're gonna chalk out, and that's kind of. Oh yeah.
She got rooted?
She's dead.
Oh, she's immune?
Alright.
Daddy's got Big Daniel.
Hell yeah. You wanna go to bull? What do you do?
Oh my god. That was the worst bait I've ever done in my life.
Oh, we have
Okay,
wave.
go
He's
Bull.
backing.
Okay, I'm coming. Ow.
Oh, of course. No! Wait, I don't understand. Did you walk out Phoenix?
Yeah, I started getting
Damn.
on her ult and I said back ahead. Fuck.
Oh no. He's fucking pounding. Alright.
He's
We're not
one.
trading. We're not trading with
No,
this
no,
guy
no,
right
just
now.
do,
He
do,
kills
do.
both of us with Bloodforge. Not a chance.
So
of
like
not
they
doing
have
that.
remember he has beads. He has beads and
He
blink.
needs me to jump in there.
He has blink still. Don't lazy back.
I know.
He's jumping.
I know. Keep
They're
him.
going for Buldium. My beads is down. Oh.
I gotta get over there.
Yeah, that's just the guy, I guess.
Well, M&K is a powerful thing when you're lagging, and you can still flick your fucking whole arm into something.
We fuck her up a little bit here.
Dude, he just lags wherever the fuck he wants, bro. Straight up.
Okay, I don't know. Don't clear this lane and then let me back. I have Heart Seeker now. I'm hoping this will change.
Wouldn't it be nice if we could wake up never happy
Some more protections. And a crit. Damn it. I'm just gonna throw my cat out so I can get that wing blade. Got it. Okay, should I initiate this? No
I
choice.
guess so. Not the idea I had in mind. Strong behind, strong behind, strong behind.
Go in.
That team,
I can't move.
yeah, you got Chonga. Let it go.
Did.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's it.
I'm going this way then.
Yeah, bro.
Is under attack.
Fuck.
Yeah, they can't do it, huh?
No.
He is fucking
Oh,
crit.
that's not
That
good.
crit's killing me.
Oh, that's it. That's game.
We'll try.
Excellent show skill.
Sweet dreams.
14 seconds. They're gonna get Phoenix. There's no way they can get the Titan.
They very well could.
They maybe honestly, but they're gonna focus the kill. Chang'e, they're literally dying to Phoenix. It's good. They're out for 40 seconds. That dude's level 18 Muffin. We're both getting anti-crit. I need 1,000 more and I have it. He's coming back. He still has blink, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Every time I try to play defensively,
He just
Chang'e and
jumps
Sobek
he's
kind
at
of just
red,
walks
bro.
up to me.
He's at red by himself, thinking we don't give a fuck.
He's got it.
Got it. It's on it.
Jump. Y'all got this?
He dies.
Good job. I'm on my way.
Nice.
Do you think
Fuck
that
yeah,
they can
pussy
air?
bitch,
I'm gonna
bro.
ward their blue.
I have the fucking relic.
On
I'll
my
watch.
way.
Here they are. Here they are. Here they are. Oh yes.
Well, I just want to ward, make sure we don't get backdoored by some fucking.
Yeah. Did you ward it?
I'm warding here. Her immunity's down. We don't really have
Can we-
lane, do we?
Can we try to do something? Build him?
Bull's up at 10.
I need to get build in.
He's down for
No, no, no.
20.
Let's get over there and I'm gonna grab this.
Volume's up.
Yep, go ahead and go hard on it.
Should I pop med?
Just no, they're not coming.
No, we're good, we're good, we're good. Get this, get this. Get this, and then just return to neutral.
Yep.
I have anti-crit. I'm
Coming
getting
up lane.
potion right now.
Yeah, hurry up. A whole fire wave coming on her's beeline in it. He's going left. Fuck's he going? He went over here. He might be sitting on this corner, bro, for real, for real.
I have a ward. But
Nah, he's in lane.
Get that fucking slow.
Oh, Sobek fuck. Hit him. Oh, shit. Wow.
Alright, run away.
Good.
Run away.
You good, Danny?
No.
Oh,
I should have just popped my med. That's fucking on me. No, because I literally got fucking slowed and it just all ulted me. That was fucking bad. The Phoenix is up.
Yeah, for like 1 second.
Muffin, you have to die for this.
Sobek just got cooked.
That's good. Kill the minions quickly. Nice. Watch out for Chang'e. No, okay, Chang'e's leaving.
Titans one. They backdoor that. On her just walks in and ults it.
We need to be aggressive. Sobek's down, so we can fight this.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
just fight him.
Yep, I'll be there in a second. You got the crit, so I'm gonna get cooldown.
I have the anti-crit, I have beads.
Alright, we kill her and then we watch
That's
him.
her. She just ulted me.
On my way.
Okay. Remember, he has blink.
What's he doing? Hold on. I think he's doing what we think he's doing.
Definitely.
Yep, he's on the bridge. He's on the bridge.
Oh, dude.
He saw me. I saw him.
Do you have blink?
I'm gonna use that.
He's going, right here!
Yep.
What? What? Behind.
This is the pussy. This is the pussy shit I'm talking about.
He dies. He dies. Nice. Push.
Rape him! Attack him!
I'm on my way.
On my way.
I'm going back to stand up.
Okay, Chang'e's to the left.
Copy.
Fuck this. Where's it?
Left jungle.
Sweet dreams.
Oh wait, we're all over this. Go on her. I'm coming.
I don't want to go in.
Glass.
Because that thing's gonna fucking heal me.
Oh
Go to sleep.
I
We
got
need her
him.
dead. We need her dead.
Trying to eat nobody.
Coming. Nice.
Shove it. Shove it. We gotta end. We have to end.
Targets eliminated.
On her, beats is down.
We'll have to just kill him. I
Cat,
have
3
blink,
seconds.
so send Cat in. Yeah, we need Tia minions too. I can't
Okay,
tank
I don't
this.
have them for 12.
Like I can't like tank it for real.
Let's go minions here. I have cat.
Take a step out real quick. I have blink.
Your team is
Sweet dreams.
Minions early. He's crippled. Oh.
He's
Focus
dead.
Titan. Focus Titan.
Is knowing what not to fear.
Let's game. Nicely done. Oh, that was
Fucking
stressful.
going for back doors like a bunch of
Fuck.
pussies.
On her,
Damn.
through.
You could've
On her,
just
actually,
been real.
through.
The Tia got late and was